President Emmerson Mnangagwa's latest state visit to Belarus is proudly announced on his official page, rekindles memories of controversial land for deals, diplomacy that has defined much of his foreign policy in recent years. While the post paints a picture of deepened collaboration between Zimbabwe and Belarus, many Zimbabweans are asking a sharper question. What did Mnangagwa give away this time? Sanapenda mashoko obuda panapa nguva ine mapictures ari kupropa achibuda panapa achinokunzi people they are referring to some years back kunokwanzi mutungamiri wenyika once sold Mutare land to acquire 700 subscribers zinobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda panguva ino vanobudanyira chiti in 2019 Mnangagwa's government struck a deal with the Belarus in which an estimated 700 subscribers were delivered. The return for land allocation reportedly equivalent to the size of Mutare, but officials claimed it was a development partnership. Insiders and land rights experts widely condemned the deal as a monumental betrayal of national assets for short-term optics. It didn't stop there. In the same period, Mnangagwa infamously offered US President Donald Trump a chunk of Victoria Falls ancestral land, a gesture that had no economic logic and reeked of desperation for foreign approval. Ndomashikonokonoka panguva ino nemapictures ari kutendera muri kuona iyi aiwa achibuda sinzi Mnangagwa on camera with people he sold the whole Mutare land size for 700 subscribers. People they are asking a question kuti yes, now tinoona kuti ndo kune vanhu vakabotengesera land, but now tiona vachigara pasi again. People they are in question but why did Mnangagwa visit Belarus? And the same question yavainayo ndeyekuti what did Mnangagwa give away this time? Kuti chii chaavapa this time and in return of what? Chii chiri kubenefita nyika yeZimbabwe? Questions ari kuva nevanhu vachiti aiwa his visit to Belarus, our people they totally condemn it and vanotoziva kuti pane madues anenge achiitiwa sometimes anenge asiri meaningful. Pinda comment section medu muzimafunguro enyu mutidie pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.